it's my pleasure to welcome you, Mr. Yusufi and Ms. Gilani.
Hi, Ms. Pranav. Thank you.
Thank you. And I hope this week has started off well.
Good. Like last week.
And here we have been very interested in seeing your analysis, and it is so very deep and useful. So really, thanks for that.
Thank you, sir. It's our pleasure that you like it.
Yes, and in that light, how do you justify continuous weakness in the fuel oil and the bitumen prices over the last few weeks?
Mr. Pranav, about this question, there cannot be a simple answer. There is an opposite news in the world. Like that, today, Wall Street Journal published a report that shows that at last in the last 2 months, the number of the voyage of these tankers, which are being sent to Russia, have been doubled. Although there were most severe sanctions by the West, and even the cost of the tankers are increasing from $10,000 per day to $40,000 per day. But this is a sign that shows that the different countries are storing crude for the autumn and winter, and this may lead that they want to control the crude oil price for the winter also. On the other hand, after President Biden traveled to the Middle East, there is some hope to see the of Saudi Arabia crude oil increase production from the 1st of September. That maybe also this will be something to control the crude oil price. We also have to wait to see that what will be the decision of the Federal Reserve regarding the interest in July in the USA. That also have a significant effect on the crude oil price and then also inflation and recession in USA and also in all the world. And again, on the other hand, after Biden visit today, the president of the Russia and Turkey are in Iran too. And it seems that the number of the effective news on the market situation is too many. And the condition is changing every hour and cannot certainly see what will happen. And the condition and the market will be downward or upward. But the trend in the Singapore and Bahrain about the bitumen price is not changing significantly, although that fuel in Singapore changed too much. And we have also the affection in Iran that we predict that Iran is expecting 80% drop on the vacuum bottom till now. And India, you also reported that increased bitumen price increased something around $6. All these news seems that the market is mixed. We have different signals in the market. One country is increasing, another one is decreasing, another one is stabilizing the price. So it seems we cannot answer correctly to this price to this question that what will be the next affection of the market and what will happen. But for a short time, for 1 week, maybe it seems that the price be in the same range. But for the long term, we cannot state anything.
Thank you. Very interesting and deep observation there in terms of the multiplicity of factors and the fast changing nature of new news and data points which keep coming up by the hour. So difficult to put all this together and take a definitive viewpoint. Really appreciate that.
Thank you.
Following up with that would be our next question regarding our bitumen traders in the Indian market. So particularly those who are sitting with a lot of stocks of bitumen. So what could be your advice to them?
Actually, if I want to say traditionally, from the 1st August, importers of India start to manage their purchases to have a proper stock from the beginning of September and after the end of March. So this year, generally, the import rate decreased because of the reason that we all know very well. I have also heard that some of the Indian importers have the a fear of more fall of prices in India, so they are starting to sell the cargo, their stocks with a lower prices than the range of market. It is difficult to say that me from India can have any accurate suggestion for the importance of India. But if I want to say something, I can say that if the current situation continues, we will expect no higher rate level of 110 for oil prices. Also, there isn't any reliable report to show that crude oil prices will come lower than $90. If I were an importer, actually, at this critical period, I wouldn't have stocked too much cargo, and I would have taken my step according to the movements of the market.
Thank you. And as an industry player, I guess we all hope that post this monsoon season, the demand uptake would really come out strongly, and they all would be in a good position to ride the impending boom. So that's what we hope for. And thanks for your valuable insight.
Thank you, Mr. Farah.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Take care. Thank you.